I'm Mac, and welcome to another Warner Rentals video tutorial. In this week's episode, we're going to be covering the skid steer loader. The skid steer loader is an excellent material mover, but it comes in a variety of different sizes and comes with a variety of different attachments, which can then be used in different applications. By the end of today's video, we want to show you how to conduct a simple pre-trip, how to operate the machine, and how to change the attachments. Let's get started. First up, we want to conduct a general walk around and pre-trip. This is to identify any damages to the machine. The benefit of doing this is that you can prevent these damages from getting worse, and this also increases the longevity of the machine by decreasing the likelihood of further damages to it. We also want to check the levels on the machine. This is important because these are hard-working, high-performance machines. So first off, we want to check the engine oil, which can be done by checking this dipstick right here. Pulling the dipstick, you want to identify that the oil is between the high and the low, which it is. So we're good to put this one back in there. Next up, you want to check the air filter. Following these steps on the air filter, you can clean, ensure that the machine has regular good air quality, and it can be done by removing these latches at the front and at the back. Next, you want to check that the hydraulic fluid is at the optimum range, which it is. When entering or exiting the cab, it's imperative that you maintain 3 points of contact. This is to prevent any further injuries from happening to you when entering or exiting the cab. Now that we're inside the machine, we want to ensure that our idles are all the way down, and we want to turn the key halfway, which will allow the glow plugs to warm up, and you can see that here. Once the glow plugs have warmed up properly, you can turn the key the whole way, and that'll start the machine. Now that we've started the machine, we want to lower the lap bar, which can be done like so. Once done, you want to press the traction lock override button, which can be found up here on the left. Turn the parking brake off, and now we're good to operate the machine. Next up, we want to talk about how to change the bucket or the attachment on the skid steer. This particular model that we're using, it's controlled by the hydraulic system, and the button can be found here to disengage the bucket or attachment. Pressing up will remove the wedges. Holding that, you'll see the wedges start to lift up and the attachment or bucket unlock. Next up, we're going to attach to the bucket or the attachment again, repeating the process, but in reverse this time. As always, for any questions about which type of equipment suits your needs, please don't hesitate to contact our rental team. Thanks for watching today's episode, and we look forward to seeing you next time.